Welcome, fam. If your lower back feels stiff, your hamstrings are pulling, or your body just won't wake up, this is your reset. We're not just stretching, we're releasing the real reason your back feels heavy. And one move in here, it unlocks tension you didn't even know was hiding. Let's hit the mat. Lie on your back, pull both knees gently towards your chest. Let your tailbone stay heavy on the floor. Feel your lower back soften into the mat. This stretch cradles your spine, exactly what it needs after 6 to 8 hours of stiff, frozen sleep posture or sitting at a desk. I promise this alone can reduce morning back pain if you stay consistent. Beginners rock slowly side to side. Advanced stretches pull the knees closer and hold still. Here's a surprising fact. The stretch lightly massages your colon too. So if digestion is sluggish in the morning, you'll want to remember this one. Hold it for 5 more seconds and breathe into the space between your lower ribs and hips. Can you feel your tailbone melting into the ground? That just softened your spine. Now let's add some strength. Keep your feet flat, knees bent, drive through your heels, lift your hips up, squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower slowly. This isn't just a booty move. This is core stability, spinal support, and back pain prevention, all in one. I promise building glute strength like this gives your lower back the backup it's been begging for. Beginners, keep hands beside you for stability. Advanced stretches, add a pause at the top or pulse. Glute bridges have been shown to reduce lumbar spine pressure over time. Let's hold the next one at the top for 4, 3. Do you feel your glutes, or is your back doing the work? If it's your back, we've got some rewiring to do, and this is the first step. That just fired up your foundation. Now we lengthen it out. Slowly rise to standing. Hinge at your hips and fold forward, letting your arms hang heavy. Slight bend in the knees is okay. Every single step you take today will feel better after this. And why? Because your hamstrings are connected to your pelvis, and when they're tight, your back compensates. I promise this is the fastest way to lengthen your back chain and release tension you didn't even know was there. Beginners, bend your knees more. Advanced stretches, straighten your legs and deepen the fold. Forward folds also calm the nervous system and reduce stress hormones. Hang a little heavier for 5 more seconds. Feel gravity do the work. Is it pulling in the calves, the spine, the back of your knees? That just decompressed your whole backside. Now we're going deeper. Come down to all fours, bring your knees out wide, toes out, and sink your hips back. Elbows on the floor. Breathe deep. Here's where we unlock why your back may be hurting. Tight inner thighs and hips pull on your lower back every single day. I promise this move over time creates space in your pelvis that you will feel when walking, sitting, and even sleeping. Beginners, stay upright and don't push too far. Advanced stretches, sink deeper and stay still. This is one of the deepest hip stretches, and it improves range of motion fast. Hold it 5 more seconds. Let your hips drop. Where's your resistance? Is it in the thighs, the hips, or even your breath? That just opened up your hips. Now let's reset the top of the chain. Slowly sit tall or stand. Drop your chin to your chest and gently roll your hair to one side, then the other. Your neck is the bridge between your spine and your brain, and it holds on to more stress than you realize. I promise when your neck is relaxed, the rest of your body follows. Beginners, keep it small and slow. Advanced stretches, let the ear drop closer to the shoulder. Did you know that neck tension can even cause jaw tightness and headaches? So this release matters more than it seems. Roll once more, but pause at the tightest point for 5 seconds. Do you notice how different each side feels? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full 3-day rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.